when you were young, how did you find out, or how did you know that Lyle had had a talk with your father?
Because my father came in the room and beat me up.
And how old do you recall being when that happened?
I recall being 11.
And what, if anything, did your father say in accompanying this beating?
He came in the room and he said, he just very angrily told me that he could not believe I told Lyle, and what was I thinking, and didn't he understand that he was going to kill me if I told Lyle, and all this stuff. And then he had me up against the wall.
And was it after that that these drills in front of the mirror about what he would do to you if you told began?
Yeah, it was longer after that, though. This was just, I mean, he had told me many times, not specifically in reference to Lyle, that what he would do to me if I told. But it was unexpected because I hadn't told Lyle, and I didn't know he was going to come in the room. I wasn't prepared, and so it was a shock. I denied it, but he didn't believe me.
After that, did you have any conversation with Lyle about, or did Lyle ask you any questions about anything going on between yourself and your father?
Yes, Lyle would ask me a question every once in a while for a short period afterwards. He would say, "Is anything strange happening in your room with Dad," or something like that. And I would say, "No, I don't know what you're talking about."
And why did you say, "No, I don't know what you're talking about"?
Because I didn't want to give any indication that anything was, because I didn't want what happened with Dad to happen again.